a beautiful 2-bedroom plus den condo in the gated community of Sandoval. This charming second-floor condo offers over 1,800 square feet of living space, making it the largest condo floor plan in Somerville, with 2 bedrooms, plus a den that features a closet and could easily be used as a 3rd bedroom. The unit has been freshly painted and boasts new flooring, creating a bright and modern feel. You'll love the attached garage and the convenient inside laundry room. The den offers additional flexibility, perfect for a home office or guest room. The condo is located in a vibrant gated community with a wide range of amenities designed for relaxation and recreation. The community features a lagoon pool with lap lanes and a slide, fitness center, basketball courts, volleyball court, horseshoe pits, 2 dog parks, community center. In addition, this condo has access to its own private pool and spa, reserved exclusively for condo owners, ensuring a peaceful and serene